Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we take a look at the top 3 best, most beautiful themes for your phone, for your Samsung Galaxy A13. So after watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments which theme you like the most. First we need to open the Galaxy Themes store. To do this, press and hold on any free area on your home screen, then press Themes. Cool. Now, on the third place in our top is EID E-Legends Gold theme. To find this theme, tap on the search button and write EID E-Legends Gold. Tap on it, click download, and click apply. As you can see, this is a gold theme for serious people. So this theme looks like a gold. This theme creates new gold colors in your system. This theme redraws phone application. This theme redraws your settings menu, and this theme redraws all your icons. So this theme is on the third place in our top. But in second place is a mobile theme that's called Water Sky UX. To install this theme, open Themes and find here Water Sky UX. Click on it and install. Download. And click apply. So cool. As you can see, this is a beautiful water style theme with really minimalistic icons. This theme redraws all your icons, and this theme brings new colors in your system. The colors are soft and pleasing, and the icons are clear and simple. So that was second place. And in my humble opinion, the best theme for your phone is Purple Starry Night UX. To install this theme, open Themes Store. Find here Purple Starry Night UX. Click download and press apply. This is a really beautiful theme. It's my favorite theme for Samsung phones. This theme brings new light colors to the system. They look good without being annoying. This theme has everything: nice wallpapers and nice tones and even redrawn app icons. Of course, this theme takes the first place of our top. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you use any other theme and think it is better than the one we showed you today, then by all means write us about it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.